AMC 10 in 2004, Problem 7. A grocer stacks oranges in a pyramid-like stack whose rectangular base is 5 oranges by 8 oranges, and each orange above the first level rests in a pocket formed by the 4 oranges below, and the stack is completed by a single row of oranges. How many oranges are in the stack? So to understand this, I hope that you have had some sort of experience with building blocks, but if you haven't, I'm here to show you how to do it. What do they mean by a pocket? Well, if I have a rectangular base of 2 by 2, then a pocket is formed within the center point of the 4 adjacent blocks. So if I have a rectangular base, for example, of 3 by 2, then how many pockets do I have? Well, this will be a pocket formed by the 4 adjacent oranges, and we have another pocket formed by these two, or these 4 rather. So we have 2 pockets given the 3 by 2 rectangular base. And can we conclude something out of that? We notice that for every stack that's built upon a rectangular base, the width and length must decrease by 1. Why is that? For this case, for example, this is a 3 by 2. But for the number of pockets would be the number of positions that we can put the next layer. And this is only a 2 by 1. And that's measuring length by width. So we see here that the length must decrease by 1 and the width must decrease by 1. So the same must hold true for a bigger stack. So if I have a rectangular base, which is 5 by 8, this time measured by width by length, then that means each must decrease by 1 for every layer that we add. So the next layer will be 4 by 7, the next will be 3 by 6, next will be 2 by 5, and the final one will be 1 by 4. Because after we stack this stack, the width will be 0. And the width of 0, that means we cannot put anything in. So this will be the only possible stacks that the grocer can put. And this is a great problem-solving strategy. If you do not understand a complex scenario, give yourself a simple one and digest it and then tackle the hard one. So from here, if it's a 5 by 8 stack, then that's 40. 4 by 7, that's 28. 3 by 6 is 18. 2 by 5 is 10. 1 by 4 is 4. So we just sum them up and we're done. This gives 68. This gives 28. Plus 4 gives 32. Plus 68 gives 100. So the solution to this question will be answer choice C.